In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create rules in Asana. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to turn a plain language idea into an automated workflow that saves you clicks and keeps your projects moving. Start by signing into Asana and make sure you're in the right workspace. Open the project where you want automation. It helps if you already have a few tasks and sections in place so the AI can reference real fields, statuses, or sections you use. In your project, look toward the top right for the Customize button. This opens a panel with options to tailor your project. Select Rules to see available templates and any rules you've already set up. Here, click Add to create a new rule. You'll see different ways to build one. Choose Create with AI Studio to let Asana's AI translate your intent into triggers, conditions, and actions. In the prompt box, provide a clear, simple instruction. For example, you could say, when a task is moved to in review, check if the description is complete and add a comment if not. Keep it specific. Mention the trigger, like moving to a section or changing a status, the conditions, such as missing info, and the action, like posting a comment or assigning a task. If you can name the exact section or field as it appears in your project, even better. You can also choose suggested AI-powered actions, such as summarizing long descriptions, drafting a reply to stakeholders, or checking for missing details. These are great for routine quality checks and communications that take time but don't need a human every single time. When your instruction looks right, click Create. Asana's AI will generate a rule with the trigger, any conditions, and the actions it believes match your request. Review the details carefully, confirm the specific section or status, make sure the correct custom fields are referenced, and tweak the comment text so it fits your team's tone. You can modify pieces without starting over. Once you're happy, click Publish Rule to turn it on. I recommend testing it immediately with a sample task. Move it into the target section or update the status to fire the trigger and watch what happens. If you need to refine it, open the rule, adjust the condition or action, and republish. Give your rule a clear name so teammates know what it does, and keep an eye out for potential loops if multiple rules touch the same trigger. That's it. With AI assisting your rule setup, you can move faster, keep quality high, and reduce manual oversight across your project.